This is a song that in this last few years has been vast political changes in the country, or well, they're supposed to be. But previous to that, we had a period where there was one big obstacle to all political progress altogether. And this is a song about that Articles 2 and 3 as I talk about. By the way, anybody that lived in Northern Ireland in 1969 has a fair idea of how important Articles 2 and 3 were. I've been listening lately to the news and I'm getting more and more confused. My problems now I'll share with you in search of a solution. For I've heard politicians claim for every problem you can name, you can squarely lay the blame upon the Constitution. I've travelled round Belfast City asking questions, as you'll see, to see who could explain to me about these Articles 2 and 3. I met a stripper queen called Gypsy Rose in the Harp Bar taking off her clothes. From red-faced men in the front rows, she was getting hassled. They were going into fits, shouting, cover up your bouncy bits. For if you dare to show your teeth, we'll hang you by your tassels. For Belfast men may boozy be, but from sin we keep them free. And we don't need floozies such as thee, showing Articles 2 and 3. Then Sammy Wilson, for a lark, he took his clothes off in the park. He frolicked there from dawn to dark, all with his own true lover. He was skipping through the daisy beds, he was tumbling heels overhead, sunburned cheeks all rosy red. He was rolling in the clover, like a little cherub he, sporting on cloud 93. And there for all the world to see were Articles 2 and 3. Big Ian said he was appalled, seems Sammy ain't so wee at all. I always said that he had guts, shows I was not mistaken. Now when he was Belfast Lord Mayor, he took my daughter everywhere. Just what sights did he show her? Have liberties been taken? Now if this boy's been making free, he will answer unto me, and separated soon will be from Articles 2 and 3. Then the royal princess up and spoke. She said her husband made her book. To kiss his lips I'd rather choke. I'm in need of something tasty. Well, suck my toes, the Duchess said. Sure, what you need's a month in bed. With a wee fat man and a baldy head, she will send for Bishop Casey. And happy soon the Queen will be, with a grandchild on her knee. And no more will she call you and me them Articles 2 and 3. There's some men who dress in women's clothes, and they found a shop on the Lisburn Road where they could purchase skirts and bows and frilly combinations. But outside the door they found a crowd with placards that proclaimed aloud that Babylon had cast its cloud, a vile abomination. For we don't need men in jewellery with dresses cut above the knee, and under all that finery you'll find Articles 2 and 3. Well, I've often heard you'll get more sense from the mouths of babes and innocents than from all them share in Parliament, for they're only a bundle of chancers. So I grabbed the baby from his pram, he squealed as I raised him in my arms. I told him not to be alarmed, I just had to have his answer. Ah, put me down, you fool, says he. It's the self-same problems bothering me. Sure, my nappy's full as it can be, with articles 2 and 3. Mammy, would you set us free from articles 2 and 3?